It's me.
Hey, you're welcome to this YouTube channel. I'm V, the #1 perfumer in Nigeria. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you reasons why your perfumes don't last. Let's get right into it. There are lots of reasons why your perfumes don't last, but today, I'll be sharing with you 5 reasons why your perfume does not last like you want it to, under 10 minutes. Number 1 on this culprit list is skin type. You heard me right. Skin type. They don't tell you this, but I will. Perfume tends to last longer on oily skin compared to dry skin. That is because the content in your perfume needs to interact with your skin's natural oils, and this is what would elongate the smell. And so you should know that simply because your friend bought a perfume and it's lasted like forever, you should not rush to buy it, because it does not mean it will last the same way when you use it. So you won't end up buying it and thinking that, oh, you bought it fake. It's not. You should probably just have a different skin type from your friends. Second reason why your perfume fades quicker than you like is your application technique. I would emphasize this a million times. Your application technique. The way you apply your perfume can impact its longevity. These are 4 things not to do. Number 1, do not rub your wrists together. Because by doing this, you are breaking the fragrance molecules and it alters the scent. So, stop it. Stop. I know you see it in movies. I know you see it everywhere. But stop it. You know better now, okay? So, another thing you shouldn't do is spray perfume directly onto your clothing. Now, while this may seem like an ultimate good idea to spray perfume directly onto your clothing so that, in your belief, it will make the scent last longer, well, it can stain or damage delicate fabrics. Perfume is designed to interact with your skin's natural oils, so stop it. Because the third one here is overlapping scents. Now, I know you've seen many articles and many videos and many blogs and many things advising you to layer your scent, use this, fine, that is all good. But layering multiple fragrances at once can cause a confusing, overpowering scent, and that is something you don't want to be walking on the road and then somebody is squeezing their nose is that supposed to be a perfume or an odor? And trust me, your goal for using perfume is to smell nice, right? Not to give any unpleasant odor. There are rules to perfume layering, so unless you're following these rules, don't do it, okay? And then another thing you shouldn't do is applying perfumes too close to the nose. For some weird reasons, I've seen people that do this. Why? Well, for no reason should you spray perfume onto your face. Alright, if you want to smell it, smell it. Just carry your nose, the bottle to your nose and smell it. Why should you spray it on your face? I beg. Let's catch up. One of the reasons why your perfume don't last more, 1 is dry skin, which means you need to moisturize so your perfumes can last longer. Number 2 is application technique. So you need to apply your perfumes the right way. If you're enjoying this video and you stay tuned up until this point, please subscribe. It's that damn place. That place that you see bell. Yes, click it, please. Times. So please subscribe, comment, share. And number 3 is perfume composition and concentration. Okay, I'll speak English. Certain fragrances such as citrus or flowery scents, those are scents like lime, scents like orange, and flowery scents like rose and all of that. So they tend to be more volatile and evaporate more quickly compared to some stronger fragrances that last longer on the skin. Now, perfumes with higher concentrations of fragrance oils, such as eau de perfume or perfume extract, lasts longer on the skin. Now, you should know your perfume is made up of 2 major ingredients, which is alcohol, mostly ethanol, and fragrance oils. Now, fragrance oils are oils that give you the nice smell. So now the concentration of this may vary from perfume to perfume. So there are some perfumes that you'd have alcohol percentages of like 70, 50, 60, 80, 90. While the oil content in it, that is the real fragrance you're smelling in it, is probably just 10%, 20%, and can go as high as 50%. Right. Okay. So those kind of perfumes, like I said earlier, eau de perfume. So whenever you want to buy a perfume, check if it's an eau de perfume so that you can go for a higher concentrated perfume. Another reason why your perfume doesn't last is the way you store your perfumes. Now, I've heard a lot of unbelievable things. Some people would refrigerate their perfume. Some people would, like, why? Who sent you? However way you want to store your perfume is that you want to keep it out of direct heat, light, or hair, because this can reduce the quality of the fragrance over time, and this would mean that it wouldn't last. And the fifth reason is the quality of a perfume. Now, I know I said earlier on that if you buy an eau de perfume, that is a perfume that has a higher concentrate of fragrance in it, might last longer. This is highly dependent on the quality of that perfume, right? However, this is not directly proportional to the price. The quality of the perfume itself, including the ingredients and formulation, can affect its longevity. Higher quality perfume often contain unadulterated content and better ingredients that have superior staying power on the skin. Now, generally, you should know that an average perfume staying power is about 6 to 8 hours. But there are perfumes of high quality that can go 12 hours, 24 hours, 72 hours, or even more, depending on its formulation. If you find that your perfume doesn't last long on your skin, experiment with different application techniques, moisturize your skin beforehand, and choose perfumes with higher concentrations of fragrance oil. Additionally, consider consulting with a fragrance expert for personalized recommendations based on your preferences and skin type. In subsequent videos, to 8 hours, but there are perfumes of high quality that can go 12 hours, 24 hours, 72 hours, or even more, depending on its formulation. If you find that your perfume doesn't last long on your skin, experiment with different application techniques, moisturize your skin beforehand, and choose perfumes with higher concentrations of fragrance oil. Additionally, consider consulting with a fragrance expert for personalized recommendations based on your preferences and skin type. In subsequent videos, I'll be shedding more light on perfume concentrations, perfume times you should get used to, and your right application techniques. And if this sounds like something you'd love, you can subscribe, invite your friends to subscribe, watch, comment, and share. So stick around. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next one.